Hey guys, this is my weekend review. It's been a while since I did a video or a weekend review of anything, but I just want to review my week a little bit. I mean, this week was a decent week for me. I was profitable, but it was a decent week. It was an okay week. But the day I really want to talk about is the day you see is Friday. Friday for me was I don't really look at my P&L while I'm trading, but Friday was a day when I can feel like my P&L was just swinging back and forth just because of the nature of the market. So at the end of the day, I looked at, how was I profitable? And I was, but I did a lot of trades that day. And up to my standards, I probably was break even because I was just a little bit profitable after commissions. It was just a lot of trades. So what I did Friday night and Saturday morning is I just reviewed my trading. I pretty much looked at see if if I was trading crazy or just looked at things. And for the most part, I actually followed my plan. There was maybe one or two trades in there that I shouldn't have took. I feel like, but everything else, I feel like I did pretty well. And you're gonna have days like that. You're not gonna make money every single day. I don't care what strategy you're trading, who you are as a trader. It just happens. So I was comfortable with the results, and but just so you know, I always do that. Like whenever you feel a little bit uncomfortable with your trading, you should just review it, and you always should review your trading at least on a weekly basis anyway. But that particular day, I really pinpointed and looked at it, and I just feel like I just wanted to take a closer look at it. But anyway, but there's a few things that's been on my mind. Some of you guys may know I mentor a few traders, but these are traders who are beginning or some been trading for a couple years, and the question that I was thinking about, like, how do you become profitable? How do you become a profitable trader? Okay, and the thing is, first thing you have to do, besides the screen time and hard work, I hope you guys know that's all like necessary, and you should know you have to do that. That's just part of it. But beyond that, it gets a little deeper, and this is where I think everyone you take a little longer to become profitable than you originally thought it was going to take. You have to figure out who you are as a trader, and when I mean who you are, think about it. You have to figure out there's day trading, swing trading, position trading. You have to figure out who you are as a trader, because if you don't, then you're going to get pulled in every which direction. So first, let's just say day trader, right? And then what makes it even more difficult is inside of day trading, there's subcategories inside of day trading, meaning like, okay, do you want to be a price action trader? Do you want to be a support and resistance trader? Do you want to be an order book trader? I mean, there's all kinds of different things going on inside being a day trader. And that's where I think it becomes a little longer than what you expected, because you have to figure out who you are as a trader. Okay, like me, I figured out who I wanted to be as a trader. Okay, I like the order book. I like to look at the dome, and I do look at charts. So because I'm a visual person. But think about that. You have to figure out who you are as a trader. You have to pinpoint it. Okay, I want to be a price action trader. Okay, so, and then on top of that, you haven't even begun to even talk about the mental part that goes along with trading, the mental grind that you have to be able to follow your plan, um, take your stops, take your targets, and so that's a whole nother category that involves trading. So that's why it takes a little bit longer than to become profitable. So my advice is to this: first thing, figure out who you are as a trader. So let's just say you want to be a day trader, right? You're a day trader, and then the next step, and this is where I feel like I was lucky, guys. I actually got the right people in my life at the right time to explain some of this stuff to me, because when I know traders right now who've been doing this for 3 4 years, and no one ever told them what I just told you guys and what I'm about to tell you guys. No one ever really broke it down in detail and said this is what you should do. My mentor actually did this for me, and this is where I feel like I was lucky. Right place, right time, right people, right time, everything. So once you figure out who you want to be a trader, okay, I want to be a price action trader. The next step to being a profitable trader is you live, you sleep, and you eat just price action trading. Sounds obvious, but trust me, it's not. That means Every educational thing you buy, every YouTube video you watch, every every form that you read should just be based on how you trade. I'm gonna tell you why. Because when you're when you don't really know who you are as a trader, and you just discover who you are as a trader, your mind is fragile, meaning you're gonna get pulled in every which direction. Like, I remember when I was figuring out who I was as a trader, I bought a course. I figured out I want to be a day trader. I had this course. This course told me, okay, I'm going to show you how to make 10 points a day. That's it. Then I had another course that I bought that said, I'm going to show you how to risk 6 ticks and make 6 ticks on a trade. I had both of these courses both pulling at me mentally at the same time, until my mentor set me down and said, listen, figure out who you want to be as a trader. You know you want to be a day trader, figure out what type of day trader you want to be and just focus on that. And you completely block everything else out. Listen to what I'm saying. If I'm watching a YouTube video and this guy's talking about swing trading, and I'm just figuring out who I want to be as a trader, and I'm a day trader, I completely click that video off, because I'm so fragile that I need to focus on who I am as a trader, and that's it. Listen closely. That means no talking about other trading types. That means no reviewing other trading types. That means you live, sleep, and eat the way you want to trade. If you're a price action trader, that's what you be, a price action trader, and you live, sleep, and eat until you become profitable. The minute you become profitable, and you become mentally strong to take other people's opinions, that's what you do. But until then, you do not, you block everything else out. And that's what I did. I can remember it was almost a year and a half that it was all dome. It was just dome, and that's all I looked at, and that's all I studied. That's all the courses I bought on just dome and reading the order flow, and that's it. That's I remember just going back in time that I didn't really even comprehend another way of trading, because that's the only thing that I focused on. And until you do that, you will not become profitable. Because, and if you do, it take you a lot longer to become profitable than you really think it is. So what I'm telling you is, if you figure out who you are as a trader, and from that point of view, that's all you focus on. Don't listen to no one else. Don't talk to no one else about any other type of trading, because it's just going to confuse you. You're going to have so many different things pulling you. Imagine a new trader, and I was trading live money too. Imagine a new trader having this 10-point strategy and this 6-tick strategy pulling at me at the same time, while I'm trying to make market decisions, while there's a mental aspect. I mean, when you really break it down and think about it in hindsight, that was a recipe for disaster, and that's exactly what I got at the time. It was just a bunch of chaotic trades that I don't even know what I was thinking at the time. I was thinking long and short, and 10 ticks, and I mean, it was just a mess. So until then, that's the only way you're going to become a profitable trader. If you focus on whatever you want to be as a trader, and that's it. You zone out everyone, everything, every course, every video, every comment. You just focus on what you need to do to be a trader, a price action trader, or whatever type of trader. And I say price action because that seems to be the popular thing in trading nowadays. You hear, oh, I'm a price action trader. So most people are probably going to be price action traders, but that's what you focus on. Price action. You just focus on that one aspect of your trade, or whoever you decide to be as a trader, and that's it. That's how you become profitable. And if you leave all that other stuff out, your mind's going to be more clear. You have to look at your mind like a garden. Whatever you put into your mind, that's what your garden is going to produce. So if you put all these different trading strategies in your mind, it's going to produce crazy, all these different trading results. But if I just put one type of trading into my mind, and that's all I live, sleep, and eat, that's what I'm going to produce. I'm naturally going to come better. And if I put the time and effort into on top of that, and screen time, you got to understand, it's kind of common sense that you're going to become a profitable trader by default, because that's the only thing you're focused on. You become what you focus on the most. I really believe that. So if you focus on just one type of trading, that's what you're going to become. So that's just my thought on this, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this helps, but have a good weekend.